Okay, they got Rangers on sale. And all of these sales are going to be going on till the 3rd. Not making it to July the 4th, even though it's a 4th of July sale. Every $500, you get the $50 off. I just talked to the guy. Let me move back so y'all can see. But they've got something in every department on sale. This was $13.99, now $8.79. So all of the ranges, gas ranges, electric ranges, and all are on sale. So y'all need to get down to your local Lowe's or your local Lowe's. And like I said, every $500 is $50 off.